The CTP10 operates with a tunable laser to provide high-quality spectral characterization of optical components. The CTP10 is composed of 10 slots that accommodate up to 10 modules. At the front end is the power on button and 3 accessible USBs. Here, you can see the IL-PDL-OPM22 modules that offer insertion loss and polarization-dependent loss measurement. The IL-RL-OPM2 modules offer insertion loss and return loss measurement. The FBC module offers to combine several lasers into one single output. The scan sync is used to synchronize wavelengths measurement. The OPM modules are a bank of photodetectors. They come in 2, 4, or 6 detectors. PCM modules are photocurrent meter. The modules are hot-swappable. To remove the module, press on the lever and pull out the module. To connect it back, push the module into the slot and lift the lever up. The instrument can be raised and can also be transported with a handle. At the back of the instrument, we have the power plug, a GPIB to control the instrument, a set of USB and display ports, Ethernet ports to communicate with the CTP10 using SCPI commands, and a bank of BNC connectors triggering in and out and analog out. When connected to a screen, keyboard and mouse, data stored on the CTP10 can be managed using the onboard file explorer. In the settings menu, you can set up the Ethernet port and IP address as well as GPIB address of the CTP10 to enable automation using SCPI commands. There is also a user guide and an About menu for more information about the system. To know more about the SCPI commands, please refer to the user manual.